how to get sound on your MSI monitor speaker in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to check for built-in speakers. Not all MSI monitors have built-in speakers. If your monitor doesn't have speakers, you'll need to connect external speakers or headphones to the monitor's audio output, and you have to connect external speaker if needed, and verify audio output device. Like in your computer sound settings, make sure the MSI monitor or its audio input is selected as the default output device, and after that you can adjust monitor volume. Use the monitor's on-screen display OSD menu to navigate to the audio settings and then adjust the volume. And after that you can check computer volume, like ensure your volume is turned up on your computer and that the application you are using, like media player or game, isn't muted. And then you can update audio drivers. Like if you are still not getting sound, try updating your computer's audio drivers, especially if you are recently reinstalled your operating system or graphics card drivers. And you can check for browser issues and consider an HDMI audio extractor. If your monitor doesn't have a built-in speaker and you want to use external speakers, you can use an HDMI audio extractor to separate the audio signals from the HDMI cable. So that's it for this video. That's how you can get sound on your monitor speaker. See you on the next video, guys.